Hey YouTube, Mike here. Today we're going to be doing the installation of the SAWSTACHE on the Kapex dust shroud. The SAWSTACHE that I bought from FastCap is the 2-inch version, and they sell it by the foot, and it's approximately 1 foot. They give you a little extra. Okay, I'm going to be using number 10 by 5/8 screws. Nuts, bolts, and washes, 6 washes on both sides. And basically what you do is you take off your dust shroud, lay it onto the SAWSTACHE, give it a little extra at the end, and roll the SAWSTACHE up with the dust shroud, mark it, and then cut it. You could see on the SAWSTACHE that there's the bristles are pushed in through individual slots. Kind of cut it in between one of those slots to kind of minimize the bristles that are falling out. And it's rubber, it cuts very easy. Okay, some extra bristles. Okay, now you want to kind of get it centered. Give it a little bend. It is a little stiff. You can heat it with a hairdryer for a couple of minutes. But get it centered and then drill your first hole in the middle. Now I'm using a 3/16 inch drill bit. Get it through. And then your washer and a nut. Okay, then roll it so you're on one end. Tighten that one up. You don't have to tighten them, just get it on there so that it's flexible. And then position your last end. Nut and bolt. Roll the whole around. Now you can use the fast tape. But I think with the sawdust and everything, it's going to kind of come loose. Okay, let's trim these edges. Okay, there you go. Now let's put it onto the Kapex saw. I'll take this off the stand a second. We can get a real close-up look at it. So there it is. There's the SAWSTACHE. See, so now you could see how it sweeps right up now, keeping that back. Now, it will not hurt the blade if the blade hits the bristles. Also, if you do have one of those auxiliary fences, which I'm going to be building soon, it will not hurt the fence, it will not hurt the SAWSTACHE. But as you can see, it does greatly enhance the dust extraction. Alright, I'm going to be doing some cutting with it, and I'll let you know how it works. Alright, YouTube, thank you very much, and have a nice day.